What is up, everybody? So, my girlfriend Beth, has not been on a trail yet in the heat. So, she's about to find out. Sit tight. Alright guys, so I am out here at my trail. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
She's camera shy. I was too when I first started this. And if you guys can't hear it, I fixed the exhaust the other day. I actually took the stock and modified it to fit back on here. So it is all the way, the exhaust is going all the way back out the back again. But what do you think about out here?
It's pretty.
It's pretty. Guys, she just moved here from Arkansas, aka Arkansas.
No, I knew you were going to say that.
So she hasn't seen the North Carolina landscape. What was that?
Oh.
But guys, we are out here on my trail that, oh, that was that stump that I hit every fucking time. But, I'm about to flip you guys around and let you hear what's going on and show you guys the ride. And I'll get her reaction flip at the end of this little bitty trip. Sit still. Alright guys, so let's get this started. I have the CRV down in low gear because unfortunately this one is an automatic. And this is the reason I need rock sliders. Alright, so we got over that. And it has been raining for the last week. What do you say, hon?
Yeah.
On and off, like every day.
Every day.
Alright guys, so if any of you guys watch or are subscribed to my Instagram, you will see me parked up on this hill. I've got a few pictures taken on this. It's a lot steeper than it looks, and I think I've got some footage on here before, but I don't think I've uploaded it. I'm going to roll up my windows real quick, just because I don't have fender flares on yet. And we're both in nice clothes, because we went to a Cars and Coffee show this morning, and we didn't feel like changing, and I don't want to get muddy, so let's see if we can get up this hill. If you guys can see the tip of my little stinger bar I made. I'll get out and I'll show you guys in a minute. Woo! You sketchy? Yeah, she's like freaking out. I'm just sitting here going up and letting it roll. You good over there? She's like holding on to the seatbelt, you guys. You know there's an oh shit handle for a reason.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so I do have my chain. I don't have a winch on here yet. I'm actually saving up for that. This part, last time I come through here, I did not have my tow mirrors on. And they are on right now. So, no. It'll be alright. Okay, so this, I think, is where I turned around last time, because this is a waterfowl impoundment, and, like, right over there is where the water and all this shit is. Actually, right over here to my left. You can actually see right there where the trench goes down. But, yes, I have this mounted on my windshield mount in a different location. But, I'm about to get out and see if I can't get some decent shots of this. And I can't see because of the sun, and I have my hat backwards and my sunglasses off like an idiot. So, I shall return. Alright guys, real quick, just for shits and giggles. I have not showed y'all yet, but I made a little stinger bar, and it's welded to the factory bumper brace. I don't know if you can see where I just hit it with that stinger. It's literally, I am new at welding and shit, so. It is moving that tree and peeling the bark off. It is awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet. Just wanted to share that. Alright, y'all. So, I got a little stuck in a little area and I had to turn around. And had to stop and get a photo, you know, for the cover. But let's see if we can get her to freak out a little bit here. Oh no. Alright, so she has never been down this part. I've only had one other person ride down this little bit with me. It's not much. It's literally a small ass little circle. Where's my lens? My lens is right here. Okay, sorry, I just got the S10, the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm still learning this thing. So, but
I'm used to, on trails, I'm used to four-wheelers. I'm not used to, like, vehicles.
yeah, four-wheelers are more fun. Okay, I don't know if I can get this on camera. Let's see if I can spin it. Get my phone down. Yeah, like I was saying, you guys, there's the water over there. And it runs all the way up into right here, where we're going. Hence the term waterfowl impoundment. It impounds the water. I straightened my beard this morning, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Should I straighten my beard more? Or let it just curl up like a ball sack? But anyways, back to your regularly scheduled program. Click. Okay. Camera is back on. Alright, can they see me? Yes, they can see you too. Let's get muddy. This part's probably going to freak out a little bit. I always spin right here. I gotta go up and around this. Oh, we're kicking up mud now. Alright, I gotta get a running start for this. Woo! That's some mud coming in my window. Hello, hole. How are you? Alright. So, not too many big, funny looking facial changes there.
You missed a couple of them.
I did, but the camera did not. And I literally just hit a bump, slammed on the brakes, and my arm just beat the horn. It just went awkward. Alright. So where am I? Okay, I know where I'm at. I just kicked up a stick and it was just like, hey, door, how are you? This is the fun part. I always spin on this tree, and I gotta watch for the stump that's right there.
Yep.
Like, my wheel is literally hung on the tree right there. Look at it. But it's all-wheel drive, so it just goes right through it. Mud hole. I got stuck here last time. Alright. Break, I shall return. Alright, so let's get it. Just get it. Just gotta get it. Alright. So, how am I gonna do this right here? Because last time I came from that way coming back. Is there anything over here? Yeah, there's a fucking tree. Cool. See if I can get around it. Alright, I know how I'm gonna get in there. Alright guys, sit still for a second. Please do not click off the video. I'm an idiot. You know, just gonna back down this giant fucking hill. and then go up it crooked. Hello, tree. Please don't come inside my window. Thank you. Watch your face. Do 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 do. I need to get my GoPros set up on the roof basket. Ugh, forgot about that bump. So I can get an outdoor view instead of just this windshield shot for you guys. And right here, this is all soft ass mud. And this is where I got stuck last time. Got whipped in the face with a branch. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm quiet.
You can actually see my tracks from where I always come through here. So, following these tracks and you'll be home free. And right here, I always end up getting back to our back wheel stuck on a tree. And I actually made it out this time. But so, yeah. Kind of want to try it backwards. What do you think?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Alright, guys, so we're going to go back the way we just came. I've never done it going this way. Oh, God, I just backed into that giant hole. Thank God I have 3 other wheels that were up top. And if I do get stuck, I have recovery straps, ratchet straps. Don't judge me. It works. A chain that is actually wrapped around the mini stinger bar up there. And a come-along that I use as a winch. So, there's that. I've actually winched myself out of that hole that I backed into back there before with said parts. I've never went this way, so not from this side. Oh, okay, that explains a lot. Okay, cool. Oh shit. Here we go. Now we're getting dark enough. Now it's showing up. I'm playing on your phone. I'll cut your phone off.
I'm editing the picture of you.
Woo! There went some mud. I don't know if you guys could see that fly out from in front of the car, but it was there. It was like right there. Oh. I need ball joints. I need ball joints bad. I think I'm going to go with the Moog ball joints for all you CRV people. They have a super heavy duty off-road set of lower ball joints for the RD1s. They're like $45 a piece. I'm gonna run over this tree because it's pissing me off.
I want to run over this tree.
And actually, this is not where this is not the steep part. Let me see if I can back up and go back around this. Sorry guys, I know I'm just doing a lot of fucking off right now. Pardon my French. But I don't give a shit. Alright. So. Do you have fun?
Yes. I was down the
You think the CRV could do more, bud? You think I could put it on some more treacherous stuff with some minor maintenance? Needs suspension and ball joints. The struts are blown and the springs are wore out. So my 3-inch lift is actually not 3 inches anymore. But sorry, I have not been making videos as much. Lost my job and started a new job, and I've just been literally working, coming home, going to bed. She's having to wake me up to eat dinner. But yeah, it's bad. Share with your friends. Leave us a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. What you think about her reactions to some of this stuff. And I'll catch you on the next time. Peace.